Hi Avanish, today what's the topic?
Environmental resources.
Shall we go? Yeah, start.
Introduction. What is resource? Resource is anything that fulfills human needs. All resources have some value. We use many resources in our day-to-day life. There are many resources in the world.
So resource means that is anything fulfills the human needs, right?
This is the list.
Okay, types of resources. Next.
Commercial resources have great economic value. Example, petroleum.
What is economic value?
Money.
Price. Okay,
Price
price
and
of the
money.
product.
Non-commercial resources are very abundant in availability. Abundant in availability.
Abundant means huge availability.
Huge availability, quantity is unknown.
Yeah.
Sunlight.
Okay. Another example?
Air.
Okay.
Natural resources. All resources that have been directly provided by nature are called natural resources. Example, soil.
Okay. We have to be so much gratitude for natural resources, right?
Man-made resources.
Have we?
Yes.
Natural resources, we have to be so much gratitude, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Man-made resources. Natural resources are modified or processed by technology into man-made resources. Example, turning potato into salt potato chips.
Wait, here which is natural and which is man-made?
Potato is natural and chips is a man-made for cooking.
After cooking.
After cooking.
Yes. Next.
Human resources.
Mm-hmm.
Human resources are groups of individuals who use nature to create more resources.
Okay.
Human beings are natural resources. We classify human beings separately. Education, health, knowledge and skill have made them a valuable resource. Example, scientist.
Okay. Education, health, knowledge and skill have made them a valuable resource. Okay. So, if at all we are not doing anything or we harm anyone, then we become
Human resource.
no, we become non-valuable. Okay. So, we have to add value in our life.
We learn skills not to harm anyone.
Okay, next.
Biotic resources. All living resources are biotic resources. Plants and animals.
Yes.
These are plants, these are animals.
And they are so much useful to us, right?
Plants, animals and mammals.
Yeah,
too.
they are useful, no? They
Yes.
are very useful.
Abiotic resources are non-living things. Examples, land and water. Mountain is the land, these are land, and river is the water resource.
We are getting water from river, okay?
Water from river. Actual resources. Actual resources are resources that are being used and the quantity available is known. Examples, coal at Neyveli in Kadalur district.
Okay. Actually, what is the use of coal? Do you know? Where we use the coal? In your favorite thing?
Train.
Not in nowadays, earlier. Yeah.
The change of generation in coal.
Yes. Now it's become electric train.
Potential resources are resources that are not being used in the present and the quantity is available is known.
Available is unknown.
Available is unknown. Examples, salt is found at seas and oceans.
Okay, what do you mean by potential? So can we say even we have potential resources in human also, right? If we learn only, we will come to know what is our talent and everything.
Talents and favorites.
Yeah.
Renewable resources. Resources can be renewed in any time are called as renewable resources. Misuse of such resources can limit its available quantity, so they have to be used wisely.
Available, check this. Available.
Correct.
No, AVAILA, go back. LABLE. BLE. B, after B, you know I. Go back.
Yes.
No, go back. Sit. BLE, no I.
Even.
Actual resources. No, AVILA. Avi, AVAILA.
AVA.
I. Avai.
Copy. A.
It's a smart thing, but you should know the spelling also. Okay, very good. Next.
Non-renewable resources. Resources that cannot be renewed themselves are either scarce or totally absent are called non-renewable resources. So man is in search of new resources and is conducting several researches. Examples: CNG, compressed natural gas.
Okay, what do you mean by scarce?
Very less or no.
Yes, availability is less, right?
Availability is very less.
Universal resource.
Universal resources. Resources are present in everywhere are called universal resources. Air.
Okay.
In area, in earth, in universe too. In galaxies.
Air is same. Correct. Next.
Localized resources. Resources are present in specific regions are called localized resources. Examples: mango trees are found in Salem district.
Okay. Next.
Individual resources. Resources are resources privately owned by individuals. Examples: apartments.
Avi, resources are resources. Or individual resources are resources.
Are found in book.
It's okay, ma. Just in here you add individual. Not there here. Before resources, add individual.
Okay.
Yeah, very good. Next.
Community owned resources. Resources are
These resources
are
some community owned. Yeah.
Community owned resources are resources which can be utilized by all members of community. Examples: public parks.
Yes.
National resources are resources which are present within the borders of the country. Examples: Ganga river is found in India. International resources. International resources are resources which are present in all over the earth.
Okay.
Conservation. Why conservation of resources is important? Careful use of the resources is called conservation of resources. Resources being used at a very fast rate due to rapid increase of population. If we don't conserve the resources, human race may become extinct. So sustainable development is very important.
Yes, day by day population is increasing. So we have to use the resources very carefully, right?
Not only human race, the life become extinct in the earth.
Yeah, correct. Next.
10 ways of conservation of resources. Follow these rules strictly.
Okay. Why strictly, Avi?
To environment friendly.
To make, yeah.
The reason of depletion is depletion is identified. Wastage and excess consumption is prevented. Reusable resources are recycled. Pollution is prevented. Environment is protected. Natural vegetation and wildlife is preserved. Alternative resources are used. Reduce, reuse and recycle the resources. Recycle paper. Spread the awareness.
Oh, the spread the awareness you have added, right?
It is very important in our life.
Yes, very nice, Avnish. Thank you.